Today we will be making a quiche in a mug. So we are going to begin by taking our La Casita mug, or any other mug will work just fine, and we will begin with our ingredients. So first we need a piece of bread and an egg, cheese, ham, salt and pepper, and milk. You can use any type of milk that you have at home. First, we are going to begin by adding our egg and our milk to the mug. So we are going to crack the egg, and then we are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of milk. Once you have added the milk, we are going to mix the egg and the milk together using a fork, just like so. Then we are going to tear our piece of bread into little pieces and add it to our mixture. Once you have added all the bread, then we're going to give it one last stir. Now we are going to add the rest of our ingredients, so our salt and pepper, our ham, and then our cheese. Once you have added all the ingredients, we're going to give it one last stir with the fork, making sure that all the ingredients are mixed well. And then we are going to put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. I checked on mine every 30 seconds to make sure it was not overcooking. And then there you have it, your quiche. Enjoy!